Tired of dust raining down when you clean your ceiling fan? Here's the quick and easy method to get spotless blades without making a mess. Safety first. Turn off the fan completely and grab a sturdy step stool. Make sure it's stable before climbing up. Now for the magic trick, use a pillowcase. Slide it over each blade and gently pull back to trap all that dust inside. No more dust shower. Next, spray some all-purpose cleaner on a microfiber cloth and wipe both sides of each blade thoroughly. Don't forget the motor housing and base. Use a dry cloth or duster to remove any buildup there. Finally, vacuum or sweep the floor to pick up any dust that might have escaped. Say goodbye to dusty fans and messy floors with this simple trick. Too busy for DIY cleaning? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6332 or visit at www.bearbroscleaning.com because your home deserves to be beery clean.